promotion tools. Promotion tools of marketing are product, price, place, and promotion. All four of these elements combine to make successful marketing strategy. Promotion looks to communicate the company's message across the consumer. The four main tools of promotion are advertising, sales promotion, public relations, and direct marketing. Advertising. Advertising is defined as any from paid communication of promotion for product, service, and idea. Advertisement is not only used by companies but in many cases by museum, government, and charitable organizations. However, the treatment meted out advertisement differs from an organization to an organization. Advertising development involves a decision across 5 Ms: mission, money, message, media, and measurement. Mission looks at setting objective for advertising. The objective could to be inform, persuade, remind, or reinforce. Objective has to follow the marketing strategy set by the company. Money or budget decision for advertising should look at the stage of product life cycle, market share and consumer base, competition, advertising frequency, and product message development. Further is divided into 4 steps: message generation, message evaluation and selection, message execution, and social responsibility review. Once the message is decided, the next step is finalizing the media for delivering the message. The choice of depends on risk of media, frequency of transmission, and potential impact on customer. Based on this choice of media types are made from newspaper, television, direct mail, radio, magazine, and internet. After which timing of broadcast of the message is essential as to grab attention of the target audience. Checking on the effectiveness of communication is essential to company strategy. There are 2 types of research communication: effect research and sales effect researchers. Sales promotion. Promotion is an incentive tool used to drive up short-term sales. Promotion can be launched, directed at consumer or trade. The focus of advertising to create reason for purchase. The focus of promotion is to create to buy. Consumer could be samples, coupons, free trial, and demonstration. Sales promotion activity can have many objectives, for example, to grab attention of new customer, reward the exciting customer, increase consumption of occasional users. Sales promotion is usually targeted at the fence-sitters, brand switchers. Sales promotion activity for the product is selected looking at the overall marketing objective of the company. The final selection of the consumer promotional tools need to consider the target audience, budget, competitive response, and each tool purpose. Sales promotion activity should undergo retest before implementation. Once the activity is launched, it should be controlled as to remain within the budget. Evaluation program is a must after implementation of the promotional scheme. Public relation. Companies cannot survive in isolation. They need to have a constant interaction with customers, employees, and different stakeholders. This servicing of relation is done by the Public Relation Office. The major function of the Public Relation Office is to handle press releases, support product publicity, create and maintain the corporate image, handle matters with lawmakers, guide management with respect to public issues. Companies are looking at ways to coverage with function of marketing and public relation in marketing public relation. The direct responsibility of marketing public relation MPR is to support corporate and product branding activities. MPR is an efficient tool in building awareness by generating stories in media. Once the story is circulation, MPR can establish credibility and create a sense of enigma among salespeople as well as dealers to boost enthusiasm. MPR is much more cost-effective tool than other promotional activities. Direct marketing. The communication established through a direct channel without using any intermediaries is to as direct marketing. Direct marketing can be used to deliver message or service. Direct marketing has shown tremendous growth in recent years. The internet has played a major part in this growth story. Direct marketing saves time, make an experience personal and pleasant. Direct marketing reduces costs for companies. Face-to-face selling, direct mail, catalog marketing, telemarketing, TV, and kiosks are media for direct marketing. Advertisement, promotional activity, public relation, and direct marketing play an essential role in helping companies reach their marketing goals. Thank you.
Advertising is information that contains an invitation or persuasion to many people so that they are attracted to the goods or service offered. We can easily find advertisement. When watching TV, we will see advertisement. In front of the shop on the market there will be advertisement attached. In public vehicle or at tourist attraction, we will find advertisement. Advertising can be divided into two, namely based on the media and the purpose of the advertisement. Types of advertisement that are created and installed using printing technique, for example, in newspaper, magazine, banner, sticker, brochure, billboards, and others. Electronic advertising, namely advertisement using electronic-based media, in the form of radio advertisement and television advertisement, film advertisement, or advertisement, in the form of film or cinema products. Film advertisement will be shown in the form of property endorsement, and will live action advertisement and will appear before the main film is broadcast. Interactive digital media.